Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to become a pharmacist. Start by mapping prerequisites, degree timelines, and licensing steps you must follow. Focus on earning a strong science GPA and gaining patient care experience through internships or technician roles. Prepare for the pharmacy college admissions test and craft thoughtful applications. Budget for tuition, living costs, and relocation, and build a support network to help you stay motivated through long training periods. Begin with prerequisite coursework and maintain strong grades to qualify for PharmD admissions. Choose accredited programs that match your career goals and apply strategically through centralized application systems. While enrolled, maximize clinical rotations to build hands-on skills and professional connections with preceptors. Seek extracurriculars that show leadership and patient interaction. Balance study, work, and self-care to preserve mental health during rigorous training and licensure preparation. After graduation, focus on licensure by preparing thoroughly for the NAPLEX and your state law exam, which are gated steps to practice. Consider residency training for hospital or specialty roles and certifications like ambulatory care or oncology to boost expertise. Complete required internship hours and documentation diligently, and use study plans, review courses, and practice exams. Develop communication skills and ethical judgment early to succeed in patient-centered pharmacy practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.